welcome to What's in the Box, the Cooking with Craig episode of What's in the Box, because I just got my hands on this Oster stainless steel hand blender with accessories, because everything needs accessories, right? Anyway, so I figured rather than just going into the cooking show, I would do an actual unboxing of this because I picked this up for a really good price on Amazon. So this will be the first time it's ever been used. If it sucks, you're going to find out with me. And there's the manual on how to use it. You know, probably won't read that, though I probably should. Okay, so here's your attachment there. So what I'm seeing right away from this is it's got one of those standard type plugs. It comes with a little whisk style beater, and that pops in there. But I'm assuming from that you could get other parts, like a proper beater handle and that sort of beater attachment and that sort of stuff. So that's what's in the first chunk. Pull out the styrofoam. Yeah, put it up right side up. Okay, then we have the storage cup, measuring cup, which has milliliters up to 700 on both sides. So this is truly Canadian. We're saying Imperial. Screw you, Imperial. We don't need you anymore. Okay, and then we got the chopper blender attachment down there. Then we got, this is really nice for mincing up things. I don't think we've had to do much in the way of mincing lately. Okay, I might have to read the instructions to figure out how to get this damn thing open. Okay, I see plastic things there. Okay, it means it twists that way as you pull. Haha! Look at that. Open your eyes and things work. Wow, that's crazy. Crazy sharp blade there. The chopping, therefore. And then we got to get that to engage with that and twist down. Okay, so there's that bit for chopping things. We're not going to use this bit today, but we probably will use the blendery bit. And possibly make a giant mess of everything, or not. So there's the main part of the unit. This is the motor part. It's a dual speed. We're going to find out today if this thing is any good. I hope it is, because I was really hoping to get a new one of these, because my last one was, oh geez, quite old and gone now, because it used a rechargeable battery, and eventually the rechargeable battery gave out, and it was one of those that was built in and you couldn't replace it. So not this one. This one plugs in. And now before first use, we're going to, of course, thoroughly wash them. Very thorough in the washing. Wouldn't want to miss any bits. Okay, don't wash the electric part. We won't wash these because we're not using them today. That's what's in the box. These bits, if you want to see that, tune into either the spice cake recipe or the Christmas cookies recipes. I'll be using that for at least one of them, maybe both. So, see you next time.